Hey you guys, how's it going? In this tutorial, we'll actually be learning how to create a advanced message box and how to use it. So go ahead and create a new project. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out by hitting close solution. And then we can go ahead and create a new project. You can rename it to whatever you want. I'm not going to worry about renaming mine. You're going to want one button and go ahead and place it. And go ahead and just type in shutdown. We're not actually going to put a code in that says shut down your computer, but we're going to act like it is. So under this, just type in if. We're going to create a message box first, just so you guys can see what it looks like. So actually type in message box, then type in .show, and then parentheses, and then quotes. And then in these quotes, just say, "Are you sure you want to shut down this computer?" Then comma, and then the name of this message box, just say warning. Then we can put another comma, hit OK. My button is going to say OK. Actually, it should be yes or no. And then comma, then we're going to want a information exclamation warning. Let's go with warning. This is going to have an icon to this message box. We're going to give it the button type 3 and then server notification. Okay, so now what we can do is go ahead and start our application. We can see that when we click this button, it's going to say warning. Are you sure you want to shut down this computer? So if we look here, it says, are you sure you want to shut down this computer? That's going to be that text right there. Warning, like I said, that's going to be the title. Then our buttons is yes or no. And then our message default buttons is this type, and the sound was a service notification, I believe, or the options. Sure, I don't really know. I don't really care because that doesn't really affect the application itself. So go ahead, click yes or no. It doesn't really matter. The application's not going to do anything. It's still there. Go ahead and exit out of it. Now we're going to actually have it do something when you hit yes or no. So we're going to say if messagebox.show, then go to the very end of it, it's actually not going to be dot, it's going to be is equal to windows.forums dialog result yes. Then we're creating an if then environment here. So basically if they clicked yes, it's going to display a message box saying computer is shutting down. But let's say they clicked no. Then we can put a else statement. Just say all else, and then put MSG box, computer will remain on. Now this is really basic. You can actually force your computer to shut down or stay on. But we're just putting messages here because we're not getting that advanced. We're focusing on message boxes right now. Then we can go ahead and hit start, hit shut down. Are you sure you want to shut down this computer? Yes. Ooh, yep, computer is shutting down. And then now let's say we hit no. We'll get a message that says computer will remain on. We can actually exit out of the application, and that's all for this video. I wanted to just demonstrate how you can customize your message box and how to provide functions inside of it. And you don't have to have the yes or no buttons. You can have whatever buttons you want, and you can even customize it as well. That's all for this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and let's check out the next tutorial.